Welcome to our video, where I will show you how to treat poison ivy naturally at home. Let's get into it, shall we? These home remedies for poison ivy can help relieve itching and reduce the chance that the rash might spread to other parts of your body. Number 1. Cucumber calms the rash. It's not exactly a day at the spa, but cucumber slices are one of the simplest home remedies for poison ivy. Either place slices of this cooling veggie on the affected area, or mash it up to make a cucumber paste that you apply to the rash for soothing relief. Number 2. Banana peel cools the itch. Rubbing the inside of a banana peel on poison ivy-affected skin is an old wives' tale that may have some truth to it. The peel's cooling qualities could provide itch relief. An application of watermelon rind is another treatment option some people swear by. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar to the rescue. With its many medicinal qualities, it's no surprise that apple cider vinegar has also been shown to be an effective poison ivy home remedy. Try soaking a brown paper bag in apple cider vinegar, then place the bag on the rash to draw out the toxins. Number 4. Baking soda speeds up recovery. To make a treatment for poison ivy rash, especially one with red blisters, mix 3 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of water and apply the paste to the affected areas. When it dries, the baking soda will flake off. If the blisters are oozing, mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda in 1 quart or 1 litre of water and use it to saturate a few sterile gauze pads. Cover the blisters with the wet pads for 10 minutes 4 times a day. Do not apply on or near your eyes. A less potentially messy way to get relief: soak in a cool bath with 1 cup of baking soda mixed in. Number 5. Oatmeal bath soothes the itch. A soak in an oatmeal bath is a classic poison ivy home remedy. Grind 1 cup of oatmeal in your blender until it's a fine powder. Then pour it into a piece of cheesecloth or the foot section of a clean old nylon stocking. Knot the material and tie it around the faucet of your bathtub so the bag is suspended under the running water. Fill the tub with lukewarm water and soak in it for 30 minutes. You may find that applying the oatmeal pouch directly to the rash gives you even more relief. Number 6. Aloe vera beats the burn. Just like it soothes a nasty sunburn, the gel from an aloe vera plant can work wonders on a poison ivy rash. Apply the gel directly to the skin from the leaf, or use a store-bought product for a quicker treatment. Number 7. Rubbing alcohol prevents spreading. If you're going to be in areas where there might be poison ivy, it's a good idea to carry rubbing alcohol with you. Swiping it on your skin immediately after contact can prevent the plant's urushiol, the chemical responsible for the rash, from fully penetrating your skin. Number 8. Lemon juice eliminates oil. Some people swear by lemon juice, a natural astringent, as a poison ivy home remedy. Apply it soon after contact with the irritating leaf before the plant's oil has time to fully get into your skin. Number 9. Running water lessens severity. Washing the affected body parts in cool running water and soap if it's handy immediately after contact can help minimize the size and severity of the developing rash. Avoid hot water, which can irritate the skin. Number 10. Cold compresses can reduce the rash. Apply cold compresses whenever the rash acts up to tame the itchiness and prevent you from scratching. Remember, sharp nails can open blisters to infection. Witch hazel can have a similar rash reduction effect. Soak a cotton ball and pat it on. If you need relief from a weepy poison ivy rash, try strongly brewed tea. Dip a cotton ball into the tea, dab it on the affected area, and let it air dry. Repeat as needed. We hope you found this video useful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.